Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a flip through of my completed December daily for the year. It is fat. He's a big boy. If you want to see how I made him, I will link the video down below. Also, if you want to see how I made every single one of these pages, how they got decorated, I did post them all as shorts, and they are in a playlist called December Daily 2023, which I will link below. So you can see how I did every single one of these pages, but let's get started. So this is made from a hardcover book rings, and I did originally have a Howdy Doody Christmas book pages in here, but I ended up taking them out because this thing got so fat. I ended up taking them out. So I could also, while we're here, I'm going to take this page out because I did not use it. So if I didn't use it, I want the page gone. So I didn't use that. I'm going to take it out. Okay. There we go. I think that was the only one. So we start off with an envelope and my reasons why. And this is a frame from Echo Park or Cartabella. I don't know why. And then stickers from Recollection. And chipboard is also from some chipboard accent from one of those brands. Same with this one here, and then in the pocket I have the Christmas card I made this year and then my reasons why. Okay, which I don't always do, but I did this year. So that's in there. And then the first day of December I started setting up my reading journal for this year. I'm going to do another reading journal. I'm going to do a reading journal for 2024 again. It's been a while, I haven't done it, but that is trying to, there we go, trying to avoid the glare. Let me, yeah, it's still a glare. Okay. So that's day one. And then day two, I wrapped all my gifts on December 2nd. Yep. And how I do it is everybody has their own wrapping paper. That way, Christmas morning, I can easily sort everybody's presents. So my dad got puppies, my boyfriend got this black, I had gnomes, and my son had Christmas trees, and then this red was everybody else's. So it makes it so easy to sort Christmas morning. And then, did I use this one here? Nope. So I can pull that one out too. Okay, I'm not going to bother opening the rings. And then what day are we on? The 3rd, I did favorite ornaments. So I just have, these ones are the ones I made on video. So I just have our favorite ornaments. This is the Darth Vader who yells at you if you get too close to the tree, but his battery finally died after years and I'm not replacing it. I enjoy him quiet. He's very loud, but he's also adorable, but he's very loud. And then we found at Boscov's the one year these like squishy ornaments, and it was pepperoni pizza, and it's super cute. So that was my prompt from my prompt list, and it was prompt 20, which I had on my Ko-fi for a free download, but I used prompt number 20 to do this day. And then the 4th, I took photos of our Christmas lights. I have little jingle bell on my tag. Yep, there we go. And then for the 5th, it's my favorite Christmas movies, which is A Christmas Story, Elf, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, the cartoon, and National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. And I did my journaling on this tag and added some pom-pom trim. Wow. So there we go with that one. And then on the 6th, we had our first snow. So it was not much, and I don't really think it's snowed since. I don't think it has. We don't usually get a lot of snow in December here in Pennsylvania, where I live. But there we go. This is from the Park Lane Nice List paper pad. That's where those came from. Okay. And then the 7th was my prompt number 22, which was Christmas mugs and or dishes. Okay, so this I just got at Gabe's in August. I found it. no, September. I found it in September, and I grabbed one for me and one for my mother-in-law. And my dad got me these holiday K-cups. Don't get them. They're not that great. Just to let you know if you're thinking, oh, that would be cool for next year. No, they're not that good. And then prompt number 17 for, oh, I don't have a day on here. Oh, look at that. So I'm just going to write it in. Oh no, hold on. That is my mom. It's actually Christmas morning. Okay, hold on. Here we go. I had everything in this little collapsible crate that I was using, and these are the numbers I cut out. I can't believe I forgot to put a date on a page. Yes, it's actually Christmas morning. I came down here to finish my December daily and film the last 2 videos, and my son is not here. He is with his dad currently, so we're not opening gifts yet. So I thought, oh, I'll just film the video. And then I don't have to. Then I can put this away and not even worry about it. So the 17th was the prompt number 17 was furry friends. So this is Sammy, our little dachshund, and this is Sassy. She's a mix. We don't know what she is. And this is Gus. Gus is my son's cat. He adopted him in August of last year. Okay. And then every year there's a local park, and their fire department goes through town with Santa Claus and gives out bags of candy and an orange. So that happened on, do I not have a date on this either? I don't. What happened? Nobody noticed. I don't know if I have a date. What? I don't know what happened here. Here we go. Here's a 9. Okay. How did this escape my notice? Huh. Well, I'm glad I'm doing this video so I could see what I forgot. It's alright, we'll just put it up there. So this was on the 9th. It was a is that a Saturday or a Sunday? They used to come on a Sunday, but I think this was a Saturday. Okay, and then the fire truck. And these people here threw my dog a bone off the top of the fire truck. So, there we go. And then for prompt number 18 was soup season, because it is soup season, and my son asked for chili. So I made chili for dinner this day, and then, like, seriously, my dad then asked for chili, like, a week and a half later, because he was still not feeling great on this day. And then I made cookies, but I made all the cookie dough on this day and then baked them the next day. So this was the 11th. Is there no date? There's none on here. Oh, right here. Okay. I was going to say, come on. And then yeah, the 11th. The 12th was cookie baking. So here I made ginger snaps, chocolate, and sugar, and chocolate chip, but I don't know how I didn't get a picture of that. I don't know how I didn't get a picture. Okay. And then this is a CD envelope, and I just used stickers to say cookie baking. And then for prompt number 6 on my list was favorite holiday songs. This reminds me of childhood. Christmas with the Chipmunks. So this was the 13th, and my favorite Christmas music. The 14th, I got a new Fitbit, and I ordered straps because I can't deal with the strap it comes with. I like stretchy ones. And I downloaded a Santa Claus face, which didn't last very long, by the way. I got bored with them very quickly. And then the 15th, I went shopping at Costco with my mom. So I got new sneakers, socks, boots. The 16th, I started a knit hat, and this was prompt number 3. What are you making? So I started a knit hat. I've had this yarn forever. I don't even know where it's from, what brand it is, but it is gorgeous. I mean, look how pretty. Look, it's sparkly, and it's in shades of purple. It's so pretty. I'm almost done with it. I don't knit I'm a very slow knitter, so it takes me a while. And then the 17th, I got these bins for sorting 12 by 12 paper. They're amazing. I ordered another pack. So that's what these are. They hold a lot of paper, and then you can actually see the paper. So I'm not using those 12 by 12 plastic storage anymore. I went to this, and I love it. The 18th, my mold defense paint guard stuff came in the mail because I decided I had to paint the bathroom, and our bathroom gets moldy. We do not have an exhaust fan. When our house was built, I don't think it was a thing that you had to have. I think you do now. You have to have an exhaust fan in the bathroom. So we don't have an exhaust fan, so it gets moldy in there. But this mold defense, first of all, it smells fantastic. It smells like lemongrass. That's basically what it is lemongrass. And so far so good. So we'll see. And then here, day 19, I took a screenshot of the present list. I'm just going to tuck that back in. And every year I use the Keep app on my phone, and I track ideas for each person that I have, and then if I buy that, I do a check mark, and then after it's wrapped, I do a check mark, and that way, and then I keep track of how much I spent. That's what I do every year. Here on the 20th, my mother-in-law asked me to make a Christmas card. I love this Christmas card. Look at it. It's an easel card. I love them, and I used the truck die. And then I left this open a little bit so I can just tuck these in. And then on the 21st, I was painting the bathroom, and my son came in and said, let me do it. And I almost killed him because he could stand up on that counter. Oh, to be 20. To be 20 again, that would be awesome. And then on the 22nd, all I wanted to do was watch a movie and knit, and I could not find a movie for the life of me. I searched every streaming service we have, and I could not find a movie. And I ended up finding Mary Higgins Clark Deck the Halls movie randomly on Amazon Prime, and I was like, oh, okay, I'll just watch that. And then I read the book. I downloaded the book on Kindle Unlimited because it was on KU, and then I read the book. By the way, I enjoyed the movie much more than I enjoyed the book. I rarely say that. And then it gets to yesterday, the 23rd, when I made pies. So I made no-bake cherry cheesecake pie, pumpkin pie, and then I made ham sauce, which is a thing we eat in my family. It is made with lemon juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, eggs, sugar, and salt. And it's delicious. It's delicious. Okay? I don't know if nobody ever has heard of it ever when I say anything, but it's what we make in our family with ham on Christmas. And it's amazeballs. And then yesterday, this is everything I needed to continue cooking, and I prepped and cooked everything for Christmas dinner. I baked the ham. I half-fried chicken tenders so I can just bake them today and finish them off. And I made 8-hour salad, which is another thing that we eat in my family. I made macaroni and cheese, macaroni salad, and I prepped the sweet potatoes by chopping them so I can just put them on a sheet and put them in the oven and roast them. So that's what I did, and that's all the stuff that I needed to use. Yeah. Yep, and that brings us to today. All of the presents that are going to sit there until my kid gets home. Actually, I'll go up and I'll sort them, and then at least they'll be sorted. But that is it. This is a chunky, chunky guy. Look how big he is. He is so big. He's so fat. But that was my month in a nutshell. As you can see, I don't do a lot. I really don't. So it kind of gets harder for people they think, oh, they can't do a December daily if they don't do anything. No, that's why I made a prompt list. A, that's why I made a prompt list. B, you can take pictures of anything and add it. Any little thing that happened during the day, add it. I mean, a picture of my kid painting ingredients for food, that's the kind of pictures I took. A bowl of chili. It's the little things. Okay, so I hope you liked this. And like I said, if you want to see how I decorated all the pages and what went into decorating them, I do have those shorts in a playlist. This will also be in the same playlist. And I will link that down below. Now I'm going to go grab the food from the fridge that has to be baked yet. Get it up to room temperature, like the macaroni and cheese and the chicken. Get it up to room temperature so we can start on lunch, because we do Christmas lunch. So we eat at noon. That's how we've always done it in my family. I don't know why, but it is. So thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope you had a great holiday and a great December, and I hope you guys have a happy new year. Have a great rest of your day.